Hello, my name is Chris, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to send an owner agreement to an owner to e-sign on the TenantCloud platform. To get started, you're going to want to make sure that on the property that you are going to be sending this agreement for, that you have made sure that you have entered in all of the details regarding your relationship with the owner in terms of how many assigned owners are associated with that specific property, the owner distributions, the management fees, the renewal fees, and any service fees that may be associated with your management of that rental property. Once that information is entered, you can go over to the Contacts tab to the owners and select the owner that you want to send the agreement to and simply select Add Agreement. From here, you're going to want to make sure that the start and end dates are accurate. Enter in all of the other information, such as the agreement number, if there are any termination fees for this contract. And then you're going to want to select whether it is a sole owner or an ownership. This particular owner is only associated with properties where there is joint ownership. So you can see that the system sees that and automatically knows that it is an ownerships type of agreement, not a sole owner. And the other associated owner with the property that this will be sent for is Bob Boomerang LLC. Now, if Chris F had been assigned to a property as an owner and being the only owner of that property, then you would see the option to select sole owner. Once everything is good, we're going to go ahead and select next. From here, you see the only property available to assign to this particular owner in this agreement. Again, if I had assigned this owner to more properties in my account, I would see those as options to send this agreement for those properties in this section of the agreement. We'll go ahead and select next. However, before we do that, you'll want to note that the renewal fee and service fee are blank because this particular property, I did not set these up. And that is what I was showing you at the beginning of this video, that if you do have renewal fees or service fees associated with the property, you're going to want to make sure that that information is updated prior to sending this agreement, because this agreement tool is going to pull in that information automatically. We'll go ahead and select next. From here, you're going to want to select the agreement template that you're going to send for the owner to e-sign, and it's going to pre-fill that information in here along with any of the autofill element tags that you may have already pulled into this form. If you're not sure about whether or not you have this created yet, you're going to want to go to the settings icon in the upper right corner and select the document templates tool and create your owner agreements there. And that's where this is going to populate those options to select from. Once you're happy with the agreement, we're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom where we have the option to upload any attachments that we may want to be visible to the owner. This could be any type of document that the owner needs to either view prior to signing or simply information associated with the property that is going to be managed by us on their behalf, or it could be something that they need to download and sign physically and then send in to you. We'll select send to sign, and it's going to ask us to do our signatures here. And so we'll go ahead and put in our signatures and click send to sign. Great, you have successfully sent an agreement to your owner to e-sign. And that is how easy it is to send an owner agreement on TenantCloud for e-signature. And that is how easy it is to send an owner agreement on TenantCloud. You can get started by going to tenantcloud.com and click sign up to start your free trial today.